Are you stuck spending hours upon hours optimizing your YouTube with the wrong keywords and getting no leads? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you the exact SEO strategy that actually drives business in 2025. You'll learn the exact SEO approach that separates successful business YouTube channels from those who are getting 200 views per video. After analyzing over 100 successful YouTube business channels, I've seen that there are patterns that work. In this video, we're going to dive into the top 3 SEO mistakes that are burning your channel. Now, the first key issue is wrong keyword focus. Most business owners optimize for volume, but that's a losing game in 2025. Nobody cares about views when you can't get the result behind the views. Everything's about the ROI, not the views themselves. You can have 1 million views and 0 clients and nobody's gonna care. So instead of using keywords like how to start a business, you should make long tail keywords. Instead of marketing tips, target how to hire a marketing consultant or marketing agency pricing guide. These keywords have lower competition but higher conversion rates. Mistake number 2, ignoring business-specific SEO factors. You're following this generic SEO advice that's meant for entertainment channel. Business content has a completely different ranking system that most creators actually completely ignore. Instead, you should focus on these business-specific SEO elements. Number 1, authority signal. Use the correct terms in the business world. Don't mess this up. Number 2, credibility markers. Include specific frameworks and methods. Number 3, trust indicators. Reference real business scenarios and case studies. And number 4, professional presentation. Have professional thumbnails and a clean setup. Point number 3, you have no strategic content clusters. You're creating random videos instead of posting videos that showcase your authority and your expertise. Instead, you should create content clusters around your current service and offers. If you're a business coach, you should build around scaling strategies. This signals to YouTube that you're an expert in this area. Also, when people search for these terms, you will pop up more because they're searching for these specific issues they're facing. That means that they have a higher likelihood of closing. Anyways, that's all for today, and I'll catch you guys soon.